Hey, I know we all want to look our best. This is Angela, and today's show is called Thermage versus Exilis versus Carboxytherapy in Upper West Side. 799-14111. Ultimate Skin Tightening Secrets Revealed. And trust me, it's juicier than a ripe pineapple. You know that feeling when you've spent what feels like your kid's college fund on fancy creams and treatments, only to still see that loose skin waving back at you in the mirror? I see you nodding. Well, today we're diving deep into the real solutions that actually work. Let's get real about why those department store miracle creams aren't cutting it. Think about it like this. If you're trying to fix a leak in your basement, sprinkling water on your front lawn isn't going to help, right? That's exactly what's happening with most topical products. They're just hanging out on the surface while the real party needs to be happening way deeper in your skin. Now, let me introduce you to the holy trinity of skin tightening: Thermage, Exilis, and Carboxytherapy. These aren't your mama's beauty treatments. They're the heavy hitters that actually get down to business beneath the surface. Thermage is like sending your skin to boot camp. It uses radio frequency to heat up the deep layers of your skin, causing immediate tightening and triggering your body to produce more collagen. Seriously, it's like your skin just did 1,000 sit-ups. Exilis is the smart cousin. It combines radio frequency with ultrasound to not only tighten skin but also melt fat. It's perfect for those areas that seem to ignore your diet and exercise routine. You know the ones I'm talking about. And then there's carboxytherapy, the treatment that sounds scary but is actually genius. It uses carbon dioxide to increase oxygen flow to your tissues. Think of it as giving your skin cells a triple shot of espresso. They wake up and get to work. Here's a story that'll make you smile. Last month, I had this client, Sarah, successful lawyer, mom of 3, looking fabulous at 45, but frustrated with her neck area. She'd tried everything short of sleeping standing up. After one Thermage session, she called me crying, happy tears, because she could finally take selfies without doing that weird chin tuck thing we all know too well. Now, choosing the right treatment isn't one size fits all. We've got to consider your skin type, your goals, and your lifestyle. Some of you are ready for a one-and-done annual treatment like Thermage, while others might prefer shorter, more frequent sessions with Exilis or Carboxytherapy. Here's the real tea. The best time to start these treatments isn't when you're already unhappy with your skin. It's like retirement savings. The earlier you start, the better your results will be. And the good news? We're right here on the Upper West Side at 212-799-1411, ready to create your perfect skin tightening strategy. Think about it. You wouldn't try to fix your car's engine by yourself, right? So why guess about your skin? Come in for a free consultation and let's figure out exactly what your skin needs to look its absolute best. This has been Angela on behalf of PrecisionAestheticsMD.com. Until next time, have a wonderful day. And remember, if you find yourself with unwanted wrinkles, let's see what we can do to help. Later.